You know the feeling. It's 5 p.m., you're tired, you're hungry, and the very last thing you want to do is tackle some complicated recipe with a million ingredients. Yeah, we've all been there. But what if I told you that a truly spectacular, flavor-packed dinner was just minutes away, using ingredients you probably already have? Okay, let's dive into a seriously delicious solution I found. I mean, really think about that for a second. We're not talking bland or boring. We're talking rich, complex flavor that tastes like you've been cooking for hours. It sounds way too good to be true, right? Well, I'm here to show you that it's not only possible, it's actually incredibly simple. So the secret I found comes from a place called Traverse Bay Farms. And listen, this isn't just any company. These guys are masters of flavor. They've built their entire brand on creating amazing tastes from really high-quality ingredients. And here's what's really cool. The credibility. We're talking about more than 26 national food awards. That makes them the #1 award-winning superfruit brand in America. So, when they offer up a simple recipe, it's coming from people who take flavor very, very seriously. And just get a load of some of their award-winning stuff. Cherry salsa, apple barbecue, red raspberry jalapeno jam. These are not your average everyday flavors. It gives you a real sense of their culinary style. It's bold and it's delicious. And that is the expertise we're about to tap into. All right, let's get to the main event. How do we solve that weeknight dinner problem? Well, the source gives us a hero dish that takes, and I'm quoting here, under 20 minutes to get on the table. Let's see how they do it. And here it is, maple balsamic boneless pork chops. I know, it sounds super elegant, it sounds sophisticated, it sounds like something you'd order at a nice restaurant, doesn't it? Just stick with me here. This quote right here makes a pretty bold promise, and honestly, it perfectly captures the theme of this whole thing. This isn't about compromising on taste. It's about getting the absolute maximum flavor from the minimum amount of effort. Okay, the proof is right here on this slide. Just look at that list. Beyond the pork chops and a little olive oil, you just need two things for that incredible sauce: balsamic vinegar and real maple syrup. That's it. I mean, salt and pepper to your taste, of course, but the core flavor, it comes from just these four ingredients. And the process is just as simple. First, you get a really nice sear on the pork chops. That's just cooking them quickly over high heat to get that beautiful brown crust. Then, and this is a key step, you take them out of the pan, you use that same pan to whip up a quick glaze with the balsamic and maple syrup, and then you put the chops back in to get coated in all that deliciousness. So simple. Of course, a great main course needs an equally great partner, right? Well, lucky for us, the recipe provides the absolute perfect pairing. So let's check out the side dish and see how this all comes together to make a complete, really thoughtful meal. And the best part? It uses the same flavor profile, which means you're not starting from scratch or dirtying a bunch of new pans. And here we have it, roasted Brussels sprouts with balsamic glaze. It's a classic for a reason, and it's the perfect choice to go with those pork chops. That sweet and tangy glaze is going to complement the main dish perfectly. And look at that, the ingredient list is beautifully familiar. We see that olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and maple syrup again. This is just incredibly efficient cooking. You're using the same core flavor builders to create two distinct, delicious dishes. It's brilliant. The method is just as straightforward. You start the sprouts on the stovetop to get them nice and brown, then you transfer the whole pan to the oven to finish roasting. And while they're in the oven, you can whip up that quick balsamic glaze. It's all about smart timing and simplicity. Now, this right here, this is the pro tip that elevates the entire meal. What exactly is a glaze or a reduction? Well, the directions tell us to cook the vinegar and syrup until it reduces to about 1/3 of its original volume and becomes thick and syrupy. This simple technique, reduction, is the secret. You're basically just boiling off the water, which concentrates all that sweet and tangy flavor into a powerful, amazing sauce. So we've just seen how a few simple ingredients and one key technique can create a restaurant-quality meal in almost no time at all. Let's just quickly recap what this all means for your weeknight routine. And really, this is the promise. Delivered. You do not need a packed pantry or hours of free time to eat well. You just need a smart recipe that knows how to make the most out of a few powerful ingredients. So what are the big takeaways here? First, fast does not have to mean boring. Not at all. Second, learning how to make a simple pan sauce is a total game changer. Third, that technique of reduction, that's your new secret weapon for incredible flavor.
And finally, if you want to explore even more of this, the full recipe collection is available for free from Traverse Bay Farms.
And that leaves us with just one final thought. Now that you know that incredible flavor is just a few ingredients away, the only question left is, what amazing meal are you going to conquer first?